Good afternoon. Today is the 13th of August and I'm here in Rio for the Olympics at what is called Lagoon Gloria for the sailing races for the Olympic Championship in the sailing. And this mountain that I'm pointing at is the famous Sugarloaf. And there are the Olympic ranks and everybody wants to take a photo, which is understandable, so there's a lot of rush around. But it's a spectacular day, and I'm going to try to get the Redeemer there, and one more time. And now that I'm looking at it, I think I can take one more photo of the rings, maybe, and we'll see what happens. But it's a spectacular day. And the iconic picture is the sailboats in front of with the Sugarloaf in the back. And I think I managed to get at least a couple of shots. I timed it well just inside. And the guy kind of scared me off with the ticket prices, but not that it would have mattered, but as it turned out, he had misunderstood me. And absolutely a spectacular day. Great day for sailing, just enough wind I guess. And everybody's posing. And here is the Christ the Redeemer.